Dyma ni yn neud Joe Wicks.
So much bigger, and I want to say a massive thank you to everyone that shared it, whether it's teachers, heads of schools, PE teachers, businesses, companies, bloggers, radio stations, TV channels, everyone that's featured this, that's shared it, that's promoted it. Thank you so much for making this such a huge thing, because this is so important. And I am a man on a mission. I've been doing this for 4 years now, visiting schools all over the UK, trying to inspire young people.
Sign love, fel bod chi'n gallu clywed ni yn newn ni siarad Cymraeg.
I was supposed to be going back on tour all over the country, exercising with 10,000 kids.
So pawb yn barod, gobeithio bod dŵr gyda chi, gobeithio bod mat gyda chi, gobeithio bod chi'n gwisgo dillad i wneud ymarfer Corff.
I thought I'm going to do a live workout every day, stream it on YouTube.
Mae Joe dal yn siarad, dwi'n byd dechrau eto.
And the response has been incredible. So thanks again for sharing, thanks for tuning in. And the aim of this whole thing is to get everybody at home, whether you're on the sofa, whether you're a kid, a teenager, an adult, getting up off your feet. So get your trainers on, you've still got time, jump up, get involved together. Let's just have a bit of movement, 30 minutes, and interact, connect, have fun, and join together in fitness, because it's amazing.
Betrys isn't gwisgo sgidiau.
And I promise you, however you're feeling right now, you're going to feel more energised, it's going to lift your mood, you're going to feel more positive, more optimistic. So please, get your trainers on, you don't need a lot of space, no equipment, and we can join in this workout together. So for those of you that don't know who I am, you might not have seen my big trainers, okay? Heard of the name Joe Wicks. But for the past 7 or 8 years, I've been, working as a personal trainer.
Mae'n bwysig cadw'n iach, a mae'n bwysig cadw'n iach yn y Gymraeg. Ydy ni? Ie.
I'll tell you.
A mae Betrys ys nawr neges ar Ruby, I ffrind gorau.
Free content to train at home, with no equipment, people that just want to do a little bit at home. So I've been on this mission, and so to be here now doing this workout to millions of people.
Mae dŵr gyda ni,
so happy,
mae trainers gyda ti, a mae mat yr un gyda ni.
And the ironic thing is, I went to university to study.
Mae Joe dal yn siarad, dwi'n mynd dim byd ar y funud. Ond, os ych chi tra chi'n aros I Joe yn wondran, wel, beth newn ni, allwch chi just marcho lan y lawr ar y spot. Allwch chi just cerdded lan y lawr ar y spot, just i ddechrau twymo pethau. Just cerdded ar y spot. Dyna beth fydden ni'n neud I dwymo. Gyda llaw, fi wedi cymhwyso fel hyfforddwraig bersonol. A Betrys. Fel personal trainer, fi wedi hyfforddi. Enw fy nghwmni ydy Mini PT. Ddim plygu hwnna, fi ddim yn cymryd arian am hwn, jyst I weithio chi, oce? Mae gofyn bod rhywun eisiau help.
Fi o Betrys yma am help.
Come on, te Joe, ni'n barod.
We're going to start things off nice and simple with a 5-minute warm-up. So clean it up, everyone. You can do it literally in your pants if you want.
Okay.
We're going to do a 5-minute warm-up together, then we'll go into our exercise.
5-minute twymo now.
Start my timer. So here we go. 5 minutes, nice and simple. First one is going to be rotation, so just left to right.
Annie,
we're going to warm it up before we go into our exercise. And like I said, I've travelled all over the country. I went to Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland. So I've developed really basic exercises, and if you are a beginner, you can stick through this.
Troi asgwrn cefn.
If you're unfit, you'll manage to do it.
Okay, mae gas yma hefyd. Mae gas yn okay. Come on to Betrys, troi. Breichio ar allu'r ochr nawr, a nawr ni'n mynd lawr. I'r chwith, i'r dde, i'r chwith, i'r dde. I'r chwith, i'r dde. I'r chwith, i'r dde. I'r chwith, i'r dde. Ti'n gallu neud e? Fel melyn gwynt? I'r chwith, i'r dde. I'r chwith, i'r dde. I'r chwith, i'r dde. Twymo di hwn, Betrys. Twymo. Chwith.
Right.
O, ni'n ei cylchoedd nawr. Cylchoedd nawr, mae Joe yn symud i'r ochr nawr. Cylchoedd nawr, I gael yr ysgwyddau yna. I gael yr ysgwyddau yna yn symud. Alright? Y shoulder joints, yr ysgwyddau. Nawr ni'n mynd nôl ffordd arall. Nôl y ffordd arall. Ti'n gallu neud e? Na, triad orau i ni cylch mawr gyda dy freichiau. Na ni cylchoedd mawr. Cylchoedd mawr. Mae'n dda ti'n gael yr ysgwyddau i gyd. Gna fe fanna te, fel ti'n nofio. Gna fe fanna, right? Nawr ni'n agor y gat. Agor y gat, okay? Agor y gat. Mae hwn yn agor yr hip flexors. Fan hyn, yn eich cliniau chi. Agor y gat. Ni'n mynd nawr. Agor y gat, Betrys. Neu agor y glwyd. Agor y gat. 1, 2, 3.
Help me back though, I'm not going to let down, I'm going to be here every day.
Mae hwnna'n twymo yn cyhyrdyn ni lan.
Everything I can, I'm adapting and most of the exercises, to be honest, are on our feet anyway, so it's not a problem. No hips, hip joints.
Dyna ni.
Perfect. We're now going to go down on the ground.
O, nawr ni'n mynd lawr ar llawr.
And we're just going to stretch our hip flexors, so this one here, we're going to stretch.
Neu dangos, fel hyn.
And
O'r ochr, oce?
nice big stretch of the arms.
Mynd lawr ar y llawr fel hyn.
Stretch.
Oce, a pwyso ymlaen. A nôl, falle bod chi'n gallu gweld, neu dwi'n agosach. Fel hyn. Oce? Dal yn gallu gweld fan chi. Oce. Oce, ymlaen. Dyn ni ddim wedi meddwl rili am ffordd o'r camera yma'n gweithio. Neu ddangos i chi fel hyn. Oce. Gwthio mewn i'r hip flexors yna. Gwthio mewn. Un pen glin ar y llawr. A nôl. Fi eisiau neud nawr y ddwy goes wrth gwrs. Oce?
Knee to elbow.
Now ni.
Good.
Fan hyn.
And I love nothing more than like inspiring my little daughter in 18 months old.
Croesi corff, oce? Penelyn i pen glin. Penelyn i pen glin. I gwrthwyneb. Penelyn i pen glin. Oce? Penelyn i pen glin. Pam dechrau twymo? Penelyn, pen glin. Penelyn, pen glin. Penelyn. Ti'n dechrau twymo, Betrys? Nawr, ni'n squatio. Ni'n mynd lawr. Hinge gyda'r hips, oce? Llunio nôl. Ni'n mynd lawr. Dwi ddim yn gallu squatio yn ddwfn iawn. Oce? So sy'n rhaid chi fynd yr holl ffordd lawr. Twymo ni'n neud ar y funud. Oce? Y Jo yn mynd reit lawr i llawr ar y funud. Oce? Ti'n gallu mynd reit lawr? Oce, na di hwnna da. Lawr. A ni nawr.
And just throw some punches.
Ochr i'r ochr.
A nice light big.
O, a ni'n punch on. Go on, Betrys. Jiw. Ti'n lygo'r un yma, i'r ochr i ochr a punch hefyd. Punch. Fi'n ni symud hwn eto. Yn trio cael yn iawn. Mae Jo yn mynd nôl ymlaen nawr. Nôl ymlaen. Nawr mae mat i bach yn llithrig. Mae'n bwysig bod mat dar chi. Dwi ddim yn gwneud lot o bocsio yn y puncho fel chi'n gallu cael. Coesau nôl ymlaen. Coesau nôl ymlaen a punch. Un tîm rhaid. O, redig ar spot. Pengliniau uchel, redig ar spot. O, mae hwnna'n galed, yn dydi? Mae hwnna'n galed. Mae hwnna'n cael curiad y gal o'n lan, hwnna. Dŵr. Mae'n bwysig cymryd dŵr. Mae'n bwysig cymryd dŵr yn ystod y cyfnod yma hefyd. Trwy'r dydd, oce?
You can march on the spot, like this.
Right.
March, or if you want, you can run.
So ni'n gallu rhedeg, mae Jo'n dweud. Ni'n gallu.
In 3 seconds time. Come on, let's go everybody. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Right, ni'n gallu rhedeg, neu ni'n gallu gwneud hyn. Ti'n marcho Betrys, na di hwnna? Mae hi'n neud yn rhedeg. OK?
30 seconds, 5 seconds, work hard, lift your heart up, then you rest, bring it down.
Dwi'n dy freichiau hefyd, Betrys. Dwi'n dy freichiau.
10 seconds.
10 eiliad ar ôl.
Knees up, come on everybody, let's go, knees up. Last few seconds, 4.
3, 2, 1.
And rest, brilliant, right, good start. Next exercise, we're going to be doing, you've got 2 options.
Be ni'n dweud nesaf?
We're going to do squats, this really works.
Ti'n gallu.
These are called the quadriceps. Front of your legs, so we're going to
Right,
do,
ni'n mynd i wneud.
sit down, stand up.
O, ni'n squatio eto, OK?
Stand up, or if you want it a bit more tougher, you want level 2, you can do squat jumps.
Right, so ni'n squatio lawr.
Yeah, so either squats
OK?
or squat jumps.
A la.
3, 2,
Ni'n neidio.
1.
Wi ddim yn dda iawn yn neidio.
Up,
So lawr i chi.
down, up, perfect. Squat down, stand up.
Na di y jump te. Go on te. Pan ti'n cyrraedd top y squat, jump. OK?
Push through the heels of your feet.
OK? OK then.
Stand up tall. Come on everybody.
OK?
We're doing well. This is not just the UK, this is schools
Lawr a ti.
in Iraq,
Go on te.
Dubai,
Na ti. Gwych,
Hong
Betrys.
Kong, China, Spain, Italy,
Lan a lawr.
so many
Lan.
countries, Australia
Ala.
soon in later on,
La.
and
Lan.
England.
Os ydych chi'n rhedeg nawr,
Honestly,
munud.
this has been phenomenal. How many people know about this?
OK. Pam teimlo'n iawn?
Live, they can also come back and do it later on anytime. It's safe.
Pam iawn? Right.
Okay, next exercise, nice and simple.
Be ni'n mynd i nesaf?
In London, we call these
Ni'n mynd i wneud naid seren.
jacks. So So if you
Okay,
start
fel hyn.
or jumping jacks as quick as you
Briciau,
can.
coesau, allan i'r
5
ochr.
seconds.
Beth sy'n gwrach mat chi, neu bynnag chi'n neud hwn anodd, yn gadarn ar y llaw. O, mae Joe yn... Reit, un i off. Okay?
Exercise number
Lenny.
3. It's a good
Lenny.
cardiovascular system, so this is what
Lenny. Okay, Betrys, go on te. Flan a lawr, flan a lawr.
Joe doing it all.
Yeah.
Get our muscles working.
Okay.
Mum, I'm doing that all.
Ddim yn gwybod coesau mami, oes e? Ddim yn gallu gael traed
Can
mami.
you go? 10 seconds. Come on.
Dig.
Doing so well. We're smashing it. Last few seconds. Hands above the
3,
2,
2,
and relax.
In.
Perfect. Good work. Right. If you're training on your own, give yourself a little clap.
Clap your bawb. Clap your bawb yn weithio'n galed.
High five, straight there. High five, all round.
Right,
Next exercise.
pawb yn lawer. Da
Our
iawn.
favourites for the legs again is working your quads, your glutes.
Coesau nawr eto, quads, hamstrings.
Together.
I'm saying.
Right, nawr, be ni'n neud nawr, reverse lunges.
Step back with your leg.
Okay?
If you want to make it harder,
No,
you do lunge jumps.
no.
Okay, off we
Okay.
go. So lunges or lunge jumps. For 30
In.
seconds, off we go.
Fi'n methu neud ar y mat na, mae mat na'n
If
llithro
you want
fe.
to be tougher, you do the lunge jumps.
Ond lan i chi wedyn, os chi'n teimlo yn fwy agniol ac yn licio rein, wi ddim yn licio rein, chi'n gallu neidio. Nadia fel eto, oce?
Ready for this next rest
Okay.
period. Next in 10 seconds.
Un,
In
You
here.
can have that.
dau,
I don't know where they are. How
tri.
many taking part.
Okay,
What
Betrys.
you doing? Last few seconds. 5.
Lawr ni.
Keeping that back straight.
Wi ddim yn licio lunges,
And relax. Brilliant. Right,
Okay,
next
one over the
shout. So
goal,
where are we?
ddim yn licio reina. Fi byth wedi licio reina. Ond lan i
Finley
chi.
and Alfie and Whitstable. Thank you for taking part, guys.
Beth arall ni'n mynd i fod yn neud nawr te?
I like doing this.
Charlie and Olivia English.
Now do you
Living
want
in
that,
France, taking part. Thank you for joining
I
in.
like doing this.
Okay, Joe, beth sy'n nesaf?
One more. Let's have one more.
O, mae Joe wedi stopio.
Evie, Emily and Ben. Right, next exercise is punching.
O,
Let's
ni,
go.
right. Punching, right? Un goes ymlaen, un goes yn ôl. Corff yn gwnebu syth ymlaen Betrys.
We're going to throw
Ready?
punches.
Okay.
Quick.
Ready? A lan, 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 lan. Lan yn yr awyr. Allan i'r ffrynt.
And now the
I'r
question
ochr.
is...
Fel ein fe. Ready? 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 Ti eisiau tro? Ready?
Come on.
Ready? Un goes ymlaen. Sorry. Eisiau gloves this, eisiau menig. Come on, come on, come on. Mae'n alright. Mae'n alright.
Good work. Good boxing. Muhammad
Betrys,
Ali
mae'n
got-
alright. Dim ond dal.
Right, next
Dyna nôl
exercise
ar
is
y
gonna be
Joe. Dyna nôl.
Another one of my favourites. Frog jump. So hands,
Be ni'n neud nesaf?
arms nice and straight.
I
looking
can
straight
on
ahead.
you,
Touch the
Mum.
ground and jump up.
O, ni'n mynd i neidio lan, edrych fel broga. Cadi fanna te.
Advanced version. It needs to be
Fel
easier.
broga, fel broga. Ni'n mynd i fynd lawr fel hyn, a ni'n mynd i fynd lawr fel la. Right, chi'n gallu cadw yn syml fel la. Lan, a lawr fel la. Neu, chi'n gallu neidio.
Right. Here we go.
I want to do it
Frog
now.
jump.
Okay, trio di hwnna te. Go on, ni'n neud e.
And up. How many jumps can you do? Count your jumps.
Every faint chi'n neud.
30 seconds to do as many as
I
you
don't
can.
like doing this.
Like a frog.
Mae trwsus mami mynd i gwmpa lawr, Betrys.
What?
Mae trwsus mami mynd i gwmpa lawr.
Delilah and Alexa.
Newch yn siŵr bod chi'n gwisgo dillad cywir, wedys i'n ar y dechrau, do. Dim trwsus i mynd i gwmpa lawr. A no,
We've got Alfie, 4 years old in Sheffield. One more jump.
Lenny.
That's good. Brilliant. Right, next up, Nikki.
Right, hwnna wedi gorffen. Cymrach ddŵr, ych chi angen dŵr.
Mia in Hertfordshire, all the way in the UK. Give it a big one. Well done.
Iawn, Betrys. Diolch. Diolch yn
One
fawr.
more, Nikki. Lucio, coming all the way from Brazil. Brazil in the house.
Dyma ni nawr, cadwch chi symud,
If you
Betrys.
can, do this on your hands.
Oce, mae'n bwysig bod ni ddim yn oeri. Mae Joe wedi mynd lawr ar llaw nawr.
Mountain climbers, let's go.
Ni'n mynd i wneud mountain climbers nawr, pawb.
Knees to the chest. If you can, do it on your hand. If not,
Dyma mountain climber. Ti'n gallu gweld bet?
do it on your elbow. You're bringing your knees.
Oce.
Your chest as far as you can.
Alright.
Knees to
Come on
chest.
up my
Knees to
Fel
feet.
hyn.
Mountain climbers.
I can
Hand
have
it off the
it.
hand.
Iawn.
Do that. If not,
Joe yn
lay
dweud
down.
bod chi'n gallu gwneud hwn hefyd. Oce?
Right,
I
keep
hear
going.
them.
We've got another 5 seconds on the clock. I love all the shout-outs.
Mae Matt yn symud, sori. Dwi ddim yn greit, oeddi fe.
Good work.
Hwna wedi gorffen.
For the abs, so all your abdominal
Wobble
muscles,
better,
your
just a minute.
strength of your core. Brilliant. Okay.
And no
Nikki,
fear.
shout-outs. Where are we? Let's go somewhere else. US. Go on. Jay.
Ni nôl nawr,
Ken,
just bobl
anything to
Betrys.
take part. Thank you, Jay. You know who you are? No way, are you serious? We've got a Harry in Jamaica. Yes, Harry, our next exercise. Mummy kick.
Ni'n neud hwn?
Go, so you kick your feet out front.
Okay, breithio allan. Chi'n dod nôl, fi'n mynd i symud y camera.
Put your hands over. Cross.
Fel un, breithio allan fel la. Wedi coesau allan, a chi'n gallu croesi. Breithio, nôl ymlaen fel la. Neu syth ymlaen fel la, mae coesau'n dod lan. Okay? Neu croesi nhw.
10 seconds to go.
Fel la.
And we have 2 more moves, then we have our rest.
Coesau lan, a wedyn goffus yn dod. Cicio'r coesau tra bach breithio chi allan. Sorry, chi'n gallu gweld traed yn dda iawn fel un ydych chi. Okay, a goffus.
That there in the shoulder, yeah? That's called your deltoid, shoulder muscle.
Ni'n rhaid am dŵr yn y funud.
Let's go.
Now we have some more.
Os ti'n moyn rhagor o ddŵr, ie.
Miss McDonald at St Gregory's is still open, playing with the kids. Amazing. Right, next one we're going to do, you've got to take this.
Dyma beth ni'n neud
You've got to
nesaf.
use your imagination. So imagine you're a kangaroo. You've got a
Goffod
little
dychmygu bod chi'n kangaroo, medda Jo.
And then we're going to jump.
O, kangaroo.
Imagine the log here.
Right, fel bod llinell lawr y mat, Betrys. Neidio mlaen ac off y mat. Fel bod llinell,
Little
un.
baby Joey in there. So over the log.
Ie, neidio fel kangaroo.
Big log here, right? You've got to get up
Oce?
and over. Come on.
Neidio fel kangaroo.
Your back's in the way. Get right up.
Un, da.
Hard.
Un, da, ie.
Come on. Keep
Un,
going. Hop, hop,
da, ie.
hop. Right, how high can you get?
Da. Un. O, a dyn gyda lot o kangaroo jumps. Hey!
Oh my word.
Hey!
Okay, ready? One more exercise. Then we rest. We have a 2-minute break. So I'll do loads of shout-outs.
Ie.
Grab a little drink.
Neidio fel bunny. Neidio fel bunny. Neu kangaroo. Beth bynnag chi'n moyn neud? Fel la.
So one more move. This one's called climb the rope. So it's not running on the spot.
Nawr,
So imagine
ni'n
the
neud
rope on your head.
coesau lan a ni'n mynd i neud hwn ar yr un pryd. Hynny,
Run and pull. Run and pull.
beth ni dringo.
Last one. And then we have a
Beth chi'n
2-minute break.
dringo.
Fire it up.
Hynny off.
Fire it up. Turn goes ahead.
Ni'n gwybod mae gwaith caled ydy Betrys.
High knees.
Mae gwaith caled, mae lafau corff yn bwysig.
Get your hands right up.
Hynny, dringo. Ni'n yn gyflym fel un.
Stretch really, really.
Dringo.
Come on.
Ni'n gyflym fel un.
Right, 10 seconds left.
Dringo.
Press the turbo button now, okay? Turbo, come on.
Eto.
Faster.
Eto. Lan. Estyn lan.
Yeah.
Ah, dyna'r un newydd i gorffen. Gorffwys, cymryd dŵr os chi eisiau enw fe.
Start my new one.
Da iawn. Iawn, Betrys?
So enjoy the rest.
Ie.
Catch your breath. Have a
Dŵr i
little
mami.
drink. And I want to get all of you, give yourself a massive clap. Come on.
Do the
Give
better.
yourself a clap. Round of applause.
Clap nawr i bawb yn cymryd rhan.
Well done, Dad. Well done, Nan. Well done, little brother, little sisters.
Ydy'ch calonau chi'n curo'n galed nawr?
I would say well done, you're doing really
Ydy,
well.
gwaed yn pwmpo rownd eich corff chi. A dderchog. Neith hwn gadw ni gyd yn iach, neith Betrys.
Can you feel your energy level?
Tra ni gyd yn goffo bod gytre.
When you start exercise,
Egni ni'n codi,
sluggish.
serotonin yn ein cyrff ni'n llifo trwy'n cyrff ni cadw ni'n
At
apus.
the end, you just peak and you feel incredible for the whole day.
Byddai'n teimlo'n dda gwers y
Literally,
diwrnod
we've
na,
got
bydde?
20 seconds left, so give me some shout-outs. Where
Yeah.
are people?
Ti'n teimlo'n iawn, pal?
Charlie and
Wait.
Indy in Cornwall, thank you for taking part today. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, 9 a.m. every day.
Iawn, Joe, os rhywbeth ar ôl gyda ni nawr, ddim wedi gorffen eto, na ddo?
Thank you so much. Keep going.
Mae Joe yn diolch i bawb. O'n i eisiau rhagor o Ymarfer Corff, ynddi?
We've got
Wi ddim
Miley,
eisiau
7
oeri,
years old,
so
we'd
wi
love
mynd i
to take
gadw
part. We've got a minute to go, Nick.
fel
Let's
hyn.
go, keep going.
Cadwch chi gerdded, cadw'n heini.
Harry
Cadwch chi
G,
gerdded,
Manchester.
nôl ymlaen,
Thank you, mate.
nôl ymlaen.
Keep up. Do it
Fel
for
bod
me.
curiad eich calon chi ddim yn mynd yn rhy isel a bod chi'n colli gwerth hyn i gyd. Mae Joe yn siarad gyda bobl sydd yn ymateb yn fyw ar y teledu. Ni, yn ystafell fel ni, yn symud o hyd, ydyn ni Betrys.
30 seconds left and we're going back into our running on spot.
O, mae'n cael mwy o orffwys. A nawr ni'n mynd i fod nôl i redeg ar y spot.
Saudi Arabia, thank you Zane.
Iawn.
Keep smiling, stay positive, keep going. Nicky, one more shout out.
Anita, Joe. O, mae Joe fel hyn.
Harry and Archie
O,
Barnard.
mae Joe yn trio ateb cwestiynau.
Wild neck of the woods.
Tra.
On a weekend in Croydon.
Yn meddwl beth sy'n nesaf.
We're going back in, second round, 30 seconds.
O, ni'n mynd i wneud eto.
Running on the spot.
Alright, ni'n mynd nôl i redeg ar y spot.
Okay, so you march. If you're a bit of a
Okay.
If you want to go a little bit harder.
Ie, fi'n well
sprint.
edrych fel diolch.
Come on, second round, 10 more minutes, and then we have a rest.
Alright,
Let's go.
pwni off.
I need.
Redeg ar y spot.
If you think about it, if it's 10 exercises, 30 seconds of work.
Rhedeg ar y spot. Am 3 geiliad. 3 geiliad. Ni gyd. Come on, cariad.
Are you doing?
Come on, cariad. Os ti ddim, just marcho ar y spot, oce? Os ti rhedeg ar y spot yn rhy galed, marcho ar y spot. Symudwch. Na ni, Betrys, ti'n neud e?
How much work
I'm doing it.
Paid yn mynd ar y mat.
You can't do it.
Come on te. Sy'n draw te? Hwna wedi goffen.
So have another 30 seconds and I'll tell you the answer to that. If you can work that out, a little bit of maths. Next one's going to be squat.
I nesaf fydd y squat, oce?
Sit down.
Good.
Not go all the way down. You can just do little pulses.
Os chi ddim gallu mynd lawr, chi'n mynd o beth chi'n gallu, reit?
Slightly.
Oce?
If you've got more range and more strength, you can sit down.
Oce, hwnna.
And if you really want to go for it,
Cadw'r chest
go
lan.
all the way.
And all nôl. Oce? Neu os chi'n teimlo fel, chi'n gallu neidio.
Squat.
Lan a lawr.
Squat. Up.
Lan a lawr.
Perfect. Come on.
Neu, chi'n gallu mynd. Lan.
So the answer is 10 minutes
Okay.
of exercise.
Ista lawr, os chi'n ista lawr gaded.
So
Ista
really,
lawr, os chi'n ista lawr o toilet.
standing still for 5 minutes.
Oce?
And you're only exercising for 5
Ti'n
minutes.
mysio neud rhaid, mae'n ffain. Beth mami gadw mlaen i neud,
Right,
oce?
4, 3,
Na ni, bron yna.
1. Ooh,
Na ni.
you feel that in the legs?
Chi'n teimlo fan y coesau?
Starts to fatigue because we're doing a lot of repetitions, so lots of volume.
So fi'n rhaid yn brifo fori. Gobeithio bydd Joe yn neud cool down a stretches ar y diwedd, fydd yn
breaks
helpu.
down, like the muscle fibers sort of break and tear a little bit when they rebuild.
Fi wedi mynd yn boeth i gyd nawr, ydych chi? Ti'n boeth? Ti'n edrych yn boeth. Falle bod gwisgo di ddim yn syniad da. Ond fe, mae'n dda. Nawr, ni'n neidio. Star jumps.
Okay, Nikki, I've got time for a couple of shots. Come on. Where are we at?
Neidio fel seren, Betrys. 1, 2, 3,
We've got Billy and George
Pedwar.
and Devon.
5,
Thanks for taking part today.
7, 8. Ti'n lygo rein, nag ti? Seren y dwi, seren y dwi, seren y dwi. Hi.
Come on, last few seconds. 5 seconds on the clock.
Gwni, sy'n lot ar ôl.
Come on, 5,
Go na, Joe gweud cerwch yn gyflymach.
3.
Yn gyflymach. 3, 2, 1.
Right, Nikki, 30 seconds. Hit me up. Go.
A sopping open now.
Siop ar agor nes ymlaen. 12 o beth.
Sienna and Kiara, all the way from Essex. Thank you for joining us today.
Ni'n neud ail round o byd nath ni gynnau nawr, os chi wedi sylwi.
Every day, Monday to Friday.
Felly mae'n rwydd i wneud hyn. Fydd fideos Joe i gyd i gael ar YouTube hefyd, a dwi'n meddwl roedd ydy'n Gymraeg ma ar YouTube hefyd, oce?
I mean, I'm getting a sweat on, look.
Fi chwysu hefyd. Ti'n chwysu?
But I'm finding it tough.
Ie, falle dim het o fi.
Reverse lunges, let's go. So
Oce, ni'n neud y lunges, oce? Reverse lunges, o, mae'n mat ma.
lunge, remember, if you're
Oce,
still here,
1.
you can do the jumps.
Right.
So you do the same thing.
Os chi'n gallu,
Yeah, switch your legs over.
swapio.
That makes it a
Chi'n
bit
neidio.
tougher. If you want
Okay.
to make it easier, you just step back.
Ond i fi, just y camu nôl dwi'n neud.
So reach
Achos, dydw i
Australia, I mean,
ddim yn hoff iawn
I love it. I'm so
o lunges.
excited. I can't
Felly newch eich gorau. Os chi ddim yn hoffi'r
my first live workout.
un ma, pidwch yn neud e.
25 people.
Newch rhywbeth arall.
And 25
Hello.
people.
Newch rhywbeth arall.
First school workout, I think I had 1,000.
Oce? Fi'n rhywbeth chi'n hoffi. Redwch ar y squat eto. Newch y squats eto. Newch un o ddeun eto. Ar yr amser na os chi ddim yn hoffi. Unrhyw ymarfer corff chi ddim yn hoffi, pidwch yn neud e. Os dwi'n brifo, pidwch yn neud e. Stop ar unwaith. Oce. Dwi'n mari. Oce.
So remember, arms up there, check your chin, and then straight punch, pow, 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 pow.
Ni'n bocsio.
Okay, here we go.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, it's an important lesson that is, that even when no one's taking notice,
Nôl ymlaen. Nôl ymlaen. Nôl ymlaen.
no one's listening,
Oce? De chwith. Ia?
whatever we do, it doesn't matter if one person
De
wants
chwith. Ewn ni allan ar ôl hyn. Ni'n neud ymarfer corff nawr.
it just makes you happy.
Dyma amser ymarfer corff nawr. De chwith.
Faster.
O na, ni'n mynd i gyflym. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Straight
1, 2, 3.
Keep going.
O, lan ni. Oce, dyna bag Betrys. Oce, mae'r un wedi gorffen. Mae bag mewn hyfryd bet. Ond mae pobl eisiau gweld beth yw'r ymarfer corff cariad, oce?
Sophie in Cumbria, all the way from the UK.
O iawn, gangster. Mae'n cath ni'n crio nawr hefyd. Dyma reality bywyd tu fewn, ynddo fe?
Got Nicole and Kiara
O, reit,
in
gangster.
Wales.
O, reit, Betrys, mae'n oce. Gadol yn fanna.
I've got a
Gadol
sweat
yn
on.
fanna.
One more,
Oce.
Nikki.
I bron yna, dim hir ar ôl nawr. Rhyw 4 munud. Pawb yn neud yn dda? Pawb yn iawn?
Thank you, Richard. Right, we're going to the frog jump. Let's go.
Nawr ni'n neidio.
Frog jump. Or
Neidio fel broga.
stand up.
Betrys.
Stand up.
Neidio fel broga. Ti'n gallu neidio fel broga, please?
It's increasing.
Lan a lawr, os chi ddim yn gallu neidio. Lan a lawr, gael gweld yn rhaid i.
To maintain the movement.
Lan a lawr, oce? Ond os chi'n gallu neidio.
Resting heart rate, so it's
Neidio.
just bare minimum. But now when you exercise, you push yourself.
Neidio.
The heart has to pump.
Oce?
To get the blood and the oxygen all the way.
Mae bydd y gwaed i gyd eich lifo trwy'ch corff chi. Lan a lawr. A ni...
An engine. Your lungs and your heart is like an engine, so...
Nawr, fydd yr ysgyfaid yn cadw'n iach hefyd. Fydd y galon yn cadw'n iach yn neud.
Going, right. Ooh, I need a breather.
Y Jo wedi blino, a dwi wedi hefyd, dwi'n bod. Falle ddim gwisgo hwn i gyd. Os fi'n neud yn to. Reit, ni'n mynd lawr ar llaw. A ni'n neud y mountain climbers. Ydych chi'n gallu'n gweld i? Oce, fel la.
Come on, Joe.
Neu,
Keep going, ready?
Jo wedi mynd lawr, mwyn o bach yn nesaf i chi. Neu, ar eich penelynau. A neud e.
So, Nicky, how many lives have you got on the string?
Neu, na fel la.
700,000
Oce, mae'n mat yma.
homes
Ni'n
in the
gwybod e.
world. That's phenomenal, man. That's just
Oce,
blown me away. Come on. Oh, 10 seconds
oce,
left.
neu lan.
Leave the chest.
Alright, chi'n gallu gweld fi nawr i chi.
As slow as we can slow
Oce,
down.
rhaid ni sortio'r ffilmio fo mas tro nesaf neu fe.
Easing up.
Oce?
Oh,
Fel la.
I just can't believe that. 700,000 people. It's phenomenal. I'm so amazed. I'm so
Yeah,
glad.
right.
I'm so proud that everyone's sharing it.
Well,
Like, this is going to build every
Beth allwn
day.
ni wneud i
I'm
recordio
not
un
doing this today and this week.
arall.
I will do this.
Achos dim ond prawf oedd hwn i weld oedd hwn yn mynd i weithio. Er mwyn i ni, allu recordio'r un yn Gymraeg, o bydd plant chi'n gallu ymarfer yn y Gymraeg. Dyma beth ni'n neud nesaf.
I am a little lollipop.
A mae Betrys yn bit o lollipop ydi. Beep beeps back, please.
We're nearly there. 3 more exercises.
Oce? Ni off. Coesau allan. Croes i breichiau.
Like a mummy.
Nôl ymlaen. Nôl ymlaen. 10 chwith. Nôl ymlaen. 10 chwith. Nôl ymlaen. 10 chwith. Nôl ymlaen.
Just making sure
10 chwith. Nôl ymlaen. Goffa canolbwyntio i wneud hwn.
Right.
Ydych chi?
Come on.
Nôl ymlaen. Oce?
Faster.
Ready?
All the way to finish. Cross those arms over.
10 chwith. 10 chwith. A nôl ymlaen. Nôl ymlaen. A dyna ni, mae rhywun wedi gorffen.
Okay, Nicky, shout out. Let's go.
Bach o ddŵr os chi angen e. Newch yn siŵr bod chi'n yfed digon.
Wow, Delilah, Frey, and Casper Cavendish. Whoever you are, thanks for taking part. Hope to see you soon. Lots of love.
Mae'n bwysig gorffwys. Ond mae'n bwysig hefyd peidio gadael i'r curiad calon e fynd lawr
Slovakia.
gormod.
We've got Sofia in Slovakia. Wonderful. That's a tongue twister.
Bron yn hanner wedi naw.
Kangaroo hops. Remember, there's a big log here. Get over it. But don't drop your jolly.
Right?
Don't drop your jolly. You've got to get your hands
Ni'n
up.
neidio fel kangaroo!
Keep them up.
Ni'n neidio fel kangaroo! Ni'n neidio fel kangaroo! Wii! Wii! Boing!
Get up.
Boing!
Get up there.
Boing! Neidio fel kangaroo! Ti'n hoffi ni'n abetyd?
Seconds.
Neidio!
Don't drop your jolly.
Neidio!
Keep it in pouch.
I bron i gorffen!
Oh, yeah.
Boing! Yay!
You're well referenced, Sean. I nearly hit the ceiling.
Ah!
I nearly hit the
Gweld pa mor uchel chi'n gallu neud hwnna. Byddwch chi'n gwella ni na bob dydd.
Okay, Nicky, one more shout out.
Ie, ti'n hoffi hwnna. Neidio fel kangaroo.
Yes, we've reached Dubai. Ellie and Janice are in Dubai. Hope you're having a lovely day. Thank you for joining in. Okay, we've got the last exercise. This we've got a different
Ymarfer olaf nawr.
It's to climb the rope.
Dwi'n mynd ringo'r raff na to. Chi'n cofio?
Cheer each other on.
Dringo, dringo.
Say you can do
Lichio
it.
lan.
Say it.
Coesau
Say you
lan.
can do it.
Pwy ni mynd?
And say to yourself, I can do this.
Dringo, 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 dringo. Estyn.
I can do
Estyn
this.
o'r raff. Dringo, 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 dringo.
You've got to hit the
Fai
turbo.
round, ti'n di trwsus lan.
Hit the turbo. Ready for the
Dringo,
last
dringo, 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 dringo. Coesau lan.
Hey,
Coesau lan.
sit.
Ready?
Faster, fire.
Dyma Betrys.
3, 2,
Ready?
1. Yes!
Yay!
Oh, yes. I love the sound of that. End of the beat timer.
Woo!
Okay, now listen. I want to start by giving everybody down the end of this lens a massive clap. Come on.
Clap nawr i bawb sydd wedi gwneud hynna. Da iawn Joe Wicks. Am ysbrydoli ni.
All round. High fives all round.
Pawen lawen i Betrys. Pawen lawen i chi. A sosys. A gobeithio bod chi gyd yn o'r reit yn dweud.
Wow.
A ni, Betrys. Okay.
Right.
Hwyl fawr, da bo.
Do a little bit of stretching.
Ni'n mynd i wneud stretches nawr. Mae'n bwysig wedyn. Lawr i llawr.
Do some more shout-outs for the last couple of minutes. So, perfect.
Okay.
One leg
Yeah.
like that, one leg over to the front stretch.
Lawr i llawr nawr.
Okay, so Nicky, I'm
Okay.
in.
Coes dde allan. Coes chwith wedi chucio mewn fan hyn. Ac Estyn
Jessie and Amelia in
am
care.
eich troed.
Thank you for joining me.
Os ydych traed chi.
Tomorrow morning.
Okay. A mae hwn yn stretch i'r hamstring, cefn coesau. Okay. Estyn draw fanna.
Thank you. Right, changing left.
Okay. A nawr swaps. Coes chwith allan, coes dde yn erbyn y goes yma. Ac Estyn am eich bysedd eich traed chi. Okay. Ac yn adlu, cofiwch yn adlu tra chi'n neud e. Unrhyw boen yn eich cefn chi, peidwch ag Estyn.
Awake in Australia. I'm not sure what time it is there, but it must be a night-time
Oes Estyn fanna.
Thank you, Fran. Remember, if you can't
Mae'n
do it
dod o'r
live,
cyhyren i'n eddod yn gweithio wedyn nôl i le oedd yn o'r blaen.
next time we're going to do, up on our knees.
Okay, ar pengliniau nawr. Okay, a pwysio ymlaen nawr. Sydd yn helpu'r hip flexors na. Chi'n cofio ni'n agor y gart?
Big stretch of that hip.
Dyna beth oedden ni'n neud. Ti'n gallu neud y beth? Mami, mynd i droi rownd o pawb yn gallu gweld. Ti'n mynd i droi rownd. A fel un, a pwyso mewn.
Oh, we've got Milan, haven't we?
Pwyso mewn i'r
in
cleaner.
Cornwall. So we've got Milan, who's age 9 in Cornwall.
Dyna ni, pwyso ymlaen. Hip flexors, bydd hwnna wedyn yn helpu. Ni bron y gorff, mae Joe jyst yn stretcho nawr. Ti'n cofio ni stretches gyda mam yn dweud? A nawr, mynd i nôl i'r troi. Okay, troi. Trio cadw'r gliniau. Pwyso ymlaen, a troi i'r dde, troi i'r chwith. A wedyn ni'n mynd i ymestyn ymlaen, brichio ymlaen, a wedyn ni'n mynd i fynd lawr, cefn syth, a lawr, i twtio troi. A wedyn just hongian hwnna, hongian, brichian llac, hongian. Mae hwn yn helpu'r asgwrn cefn ar ôl y gwaith caled. Ni wedi gwneud, a wedyn rwliwch ymlaen. O, mae Joe wedi codi. Byddwch yn ofalus bod chi ddim yn codi'n rhy gyflym, byddwch chi gewch chi pendro. Pendro ydy mynd bach yn chwil ffeint. Okay? Pendro, ie, pen yn troi. A fi'n credu bod ni wedi gorff. Os ydych chi eisiau mwy o stretches neu unrhyw fath o gyngor yma ar Corff, allwch chi gysylltu gyda fi, os chi moyn. A wedyn ni, bydd Betrys a fi, drio wneud rai taclusach na hyn, ond ni'n meddwl falle bod hwn jyst yn helpu i'r plant os nhw'n gwneud eisiau Cymraeg nhw. Okay. Awn ni allan nawr yn munud. Fi wedi dweud hwyl fawr wrth bawb. Hwyl fawr. Cadwch yn saff. Hwyl fawr. Gwestiwn botwm te.
I'll see you soon. Peace out.